Hi there, welcome to edupediaworld.com. You're watching the videos on circles. So in this video we'll discuss some of the questions related to question related to the circles, the questions which are related to the theorems we have discussed in the previous videos. So you have to watch this video very carefully. Okay, now let's get started with the first question. Question number 1. Now the question number 1 says that two circles of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter intersect at 2 points and the distance between their centers is 4 centimeter. Now we need to find the length of a common chord. So let's see how we can do this question. So first we need to draw the diagram. So let's say we have one circle like this and we have another circle like this, right? Now, so let's say this is a common chord between the two circles. So let's say this is A and let's say this is B, and let's say this is the center of first circle and this is the center of another circle. Let's say O and O dash. Now we need to join these parts like this. Now the first circle radius is 5 centimeter, so let's say this is 5 centimeter and let's say this is 3 centimeter, right? Now, and let's say this is M. Now, so first it's given that the center is distance between the center is 4 centimeters, so we can say that O and O dash is 4 centimeter. Now as we know that when we draw a perpendicular from the center to a chord, it bisects the chord, right? So we can say that OM is a perpendicular to the chord and it bisects the chord AB, so we can say that AM equals to MB, right? Now so we need to find the length of a chord AB. So let's see how we can do this. So let's say we have OM and MO dash. So let's assume, let's say let OM equals to X. So O dash M will become 4 minus X, right? Why? Because O and O dash is 4 centimeter. So if OM is X, so this part is X, so this will become 4 minus X, right? Now so this is of X, OM is X. Now you can see, if you consider triangle, let's say OAM, so it's a, according to Pythagoras theorem we can say that, so it's a right angle triangle. So according to Pythagoras theorem we can say that AO square will be equals to AM square plus OM square, right? So AO is 5 square, so we can say that it's 5 square. Now AM we need to find and OM is X square, and we can write 5 square as 25 equals to AM square plus X square. So AM will be equals to 25 minus X square. So let's say this is a first equation. Now second, if you consider, say, triangle A O dash M, again this is a right angle triangle, so we can say that according to Pythagoras theorem AO dash equals to O dash M square plus AM square, right? Now AO dash is 3, so it's 3 square. Now O dash M is 4 minus X whole square plus AM square, right? So 3 square will be 9, so it will be 9 equals to, so this will become A minus B whole square, so we can write 4 square plus X square minus 8X plus AM square, right? So this will become 9 equals to 16 plus X square minus 8X plus AM square. So this will become 9 minus 16 minus X plus 8X equals to AM square. So 9 minus 16, it will be minus 7 minus x square plus 8x equals to am square, right? So let it be second, right? So this is also am square. Now, so we can say that from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, so these equations are equal, so we can say that minus 7 minus x square plus 8x equals to 25 minus x square, right? So this and this will get cancelled, so it will become 8x equals to 25 plus 7, so 8x will be equals to 32, so x will be equals to 32 by 8, so x equals to 4 centimeter, right? Now, so we got x as 4 centimeter, so we can say that put in 1, so what we get, am square equals to 25 minus 4 square, so which is equals to 25 minus 16, so which is equals to 9, so am will be equals to 3 centimeter, right? So we got am as 3 centimeter. Now am equals to mb, right? So we can say that AB will be twice of AM, so we can say that AB will be 2 times AM, so it will be 2 times of 3, so AB will be equals to 6 centimeter. So the length of common chord is 6 centimeter, right? So this is how we can solve these type of questions. Now let's discuss the next question, question number 2. Now the question says that if two equal chords of a circle intersect within a circle, then we need to prove that the segment of one chord are equal to the corresponding segment of the another chord. So let's see how we can solve this type of question. So first we need to draw a circle, right? So let's say this is a center and these are the two chords like this. Okay, now so let's say this is a chord PQ and this is RS. So let's say this is a center and let's say this common point is T. Now what we need to do is we need to draw perpendicular to this chord. So let's say this is U and from here also we draw perpendicular like this. So let's say this is V, let's say this is O. Now so let's see how we can prove this. So first we need to consider triangle OUT and OVT, right? So in this triangle it's given that the chords are equal, the two chords are equal, means PQ equals to RS, it's given. So if the two chords are equal, so then they are also equidistant from the center, right? So we can say that UO or OU equals to OV. Why? Because equal chords are equidistant from the center, right? So we have this one first part and it's given that each 90 degree, so we can say that angle OUT equals to angle OVT each 90 degree, right? And OT equals to OT, so which is common side, right? So we have three conditions. So these two triangles are congruent by RHS. So why RHS? Because hypotenuse is common and one side is equal. So we can say that triangle OUT is congruent to triangle OVT by RHS, right? So now, so by CPCT we can say that UT or UT is equals also equals to VT by CPCT. Now, so you can see properly the chord, we are drawing the perpendicular to the chord PQ, so it bisects the chord. So we can say that PU equals to UQ, because PQ is a chord, you can see properly. And whenever we draw a perpendicular from the center to a chord, it bisects the chord. Similarly, we can say that in chord RS, we can say that VS equals to RV. Why? Because RS is chord again. Right? Now, we have proved that UT equals to VT. Right? You can see properly. Now, so if we add UT to this side, so it will become what? PT. Right? So let's say now it's given UT equals to VT. Right? Now, if I add UT, or let's say I can say PT now. PT will become, so PT is PU plus UT. You getting my point? So if we add UT to this, right, so it will become PT. So we can say that if we add UT and VT to both sides, but they are equal, so we can say that PT is also equals to ST. Right? So let it be second equation. Now it's given that PQ is a chord. So if we take away TQ, let's say take away TQ from PQ, so it will become PT. Right? Similarly, if we take away RT from RS, so it will become, let's say, RS minus RT, so it will become again ST. So let it be third. So from 2 and 3, from 2 and 3, we can say that the corresponding segments of chords are equal. So this is how we can prove these type of questions. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 3. Now, so question number 3 says that three girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circle, right? So of a radius 5 centimeter drawn, and Reshma throws a ball to Salma and Salma to Mandeep and Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meters each, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? So for this question, so let's say first we need to draw a circle. So here we have circle like this, and let's say this is a center O. So let's say this part is Reshma, and this part is Salma, and this part is Mandeep, right? Now, so let's say we draw like this. We join these points, and these points also, right? So it's given that the radius is 5 centimeters. So this is radius is 5 meters, and this is also 5 meters, right? Now, and it's given that the distance between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meters. So this distance is 6 meters, and this distance is also 6 meters. So we need to find RM, the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. Now let's say how we can do this. Now we know that OS is radius. So if we consider this point as C, so OS can be written as OC plus CS. So let's say CS is X, then OC will become 5 minus X, right? Now this is a perpendicular drawn from the chord, drawn from the center to a chord RM, so it will bisect the chord. So we can say that RC will be equals to CM. right? Now if you consider triangle RCO, so in this triangle, so 5 is hypotenuse, so we can say that 5 square equals to OC square plus RC square. So let it be first. Now so it will be 25 equals to OC square plus RC square. Now similarly, if you consider triangle, let's say RCS, so in this triangle again this is 90°, so we can say that 6 square hypotenuse, so this is a hypotenuse, equals to CS square plus RC square, so let it be 2, so it can be written as 36 equals to CS square plus RC square. Now if we subtract equation 2 from 1, subtract 2 from 1 or 1 from 2, so we get 36 minus 25 equals to CS square minus OC square, right? Then we have, let's say, now plus RC square minus RC square, so this and this will get cancelled, so this will come out to be 36 minus 25, so CS is, this part, so CS we have assumed x square minus OC is 5 minus x, so it will be 5 minus x whole square, so it will come out to be 11 equals to x square minus, so this will come out to be 25 plus x square minus 10x, so it will be 11 equals to x square minus 25 minus x square plus 10x, so this and this will get cancelled, right? Then it will be 11 plus 25 equals to 10x, so 36 equals to 10x, so x is 3.6 centimeter. So we have x as 3.6 centimeter, right? Now we got CSS 3.6 centimeter. What we need to find is RC now, so we can put in equation 1 in 1, so what we get is 25, or we can put in equation 2, whatever you like. So let's say we put in equation 2, so it will come out to be 36 equals to CS is x, so it is 3.6 whole square plus RC square. Now so it will come out to be 36 minus, now 3.6 whole square is 12.96, which is equals to RC square, so it will come out to be 36 and minus 12.96, it will be 23.04, so which is RC square. So if we take under root of 23.04, so RC will come out to be 4.8. Now RC is half of RM because it bisects, this perpendicular bisects the chord, so we can say that RM will be 2 times RC, so RM will be equals to 2 into 4.8, so which is 9.6 centimeters. So this is how we can solve these type of questions. So thank you once again for watching this video on edupediaworld.com. Keep watching further videos. Have a nice day ahead.